Okay, we will be doing this fast. Okay, chapter 2, quizzes, switching concepts. We have 2 quizzes here, 1 for check your understanding and 1 for module quiz. Okay, for chapter 2. Okay. Check your understanding. Which port will be auto-negotiated between a host with a 1 Gbps and IC connecting to Cisco Catalyst 2960 switch with a 100 Mbps port? Okay, so the 1 Gbps will adjust to the lower, slower speed. Okay. So which port speed will be auto-negotiated? So it would be 100 Mbps. So this 100 Mbps port will not go faster. Next, which device? Okay, it's only 3 items. So which device operates broadcast domains? We have the router. Okay. So it separates broadcast domains. So in a way that when a client sends a broadcast message, it will not reach to the other network. The message will not reach to the other networks. Next, which 2 special characteristics do LAN switches use to alleviate network congestion? We have fast port speeds. Okay, this one, and then low port sense. Okay, the fast internal switching. So I think we're easy, no? Just kidding. It's module quiz, switching concepts. So module quiz is always long. So 10 items above 10 items. Okay, so which statement is true about broadcast and collision domains? Let's see. The size of the collision can be reduced. No. The more interface the router has, the larger. No. Okay, adding a switch so network will increase the size of the broadcast domains. Okay. Adding a switch to a network will increase the size of the network. Wait. Adding a router will increase the size. No. This is not the answer. Can be reduced by adding. No. Adding a switch. Okay. So what is one function of a layer 2 switch? It determines switch interface used to forward. Okay, so this one is the answer. So it determines, the layer 2 switch determines which interface is used to forward the frame based on the destination MAC address. Okay. Next, so what is the significant difference between a hub and layer 2 LAN switch? Hubs for the switch creates many smaller collision domains. Yes, so it divides collision domains because each port is a collision domain. Yes. Okay. Each port in a switch is a collision domain, but all ports in a hub is a collision domain. It's a collision domain. You understand? So this would be the answer. So the switch creates many smaller collision domains, and the hub increases the size of a single collision domain. So since the hub, all ports of the hub is a one big collision domain. So that's it. Next, what will a Cisco LAN switch do if it receives an incoming frame and the destination MAC address is not listed in the MAC address table? Okay, so what will be the switch do if it receives a frame that does not have the destination MAC address not listed in the list? Okay, the destination MAC address is not listed in the MAC address table. Okay, so it will not drop the frame. Okay, but sense the frame, use ARP. No. Okay, so it forward the frame out of all ports except the port where the frame is received. And then, right, this is the correct answer. So since the switch received a frame that does not have the destination MAC address listed in the MAC address table, so it just flood the frame out of all ports. Next, which characteristic helps alleviate network congestion when a 10 Gbps port is forwarding data to a 1 Gbps net port? So I remember the answer for this is the frame buffering. Frame buffering is the answer for the number 5. Next, which switching method makes use of the FCS value? So the frame checking sequence, I think frame checking sequence value. We have the store and forward. Next, what does the term port density represent for an Ethernet switch? So this term is not it is not what do you call this? So I'm not familiar with this term, port density. So I think it's not in the module, port density. But I remember the answer for this would be, I think, the number of hosts. No. Which I think this is the number of available the number of available ports. So I think this is the answer for the number 7, term ports density. So it represents the number of available ports. Okay, which information does a switch use to keep the MAC address table information current? So I must choose only one. Okay, so the MAC address table consists of the port. Okay, the incoming port. Okay, the incoming port, and then the MAC address of the client sending a frame. So it should be the source MAC address in the incoming port. Okay. And then the destination MAC address. Okay. So it is listed on the MAC address table. So if the destination MAC address is listed on the MAC address table, then just forward the frame on that specific port. Next, which two statements are true about half duplex and full duplex communications? So this is the one. Full duplex allows both ends to transmit and receive simultaneously. And so I remember it's the other answer is contains the word bandwidth. Full duplex increases effective bandwidth, or this one, potential use of bandwidth. So I think this is one answer. So let's see if my answer is wrong. So which type of the address does a switch use to build the MAC address table? The source MAC address of the sending host. So which option correctly describes the switching method? We have cut through and store and forward. It's wrong. Cut through provides no. Okay, the store and forward, so it ensures that the frame is free of physical and detailing errors because we have frame checking and store and forward. So next, which network device can serve as a boundary to divide a layer 2 broadcast domain? We have the router. Next, what is the purpose of frame buffers on a switch? Security, no. Temporary storage. Okay, so it alleviates network congestion. Next, last, which network device can be used to eliminate collisions on an Ethernet network? Eliminate collisions, not eliminate broadcasts. eliminate collisions. Not a firewall, a hub. No. The hub does not eliminate collisions. So router and a switch. Okay, so Ethernet network. So I think it's a switch. Oh, Ethernet. Okay. So I think the answer for this is full duplex increase the effective bandwidth. Okay. So I think that's it for the chapter 2 quizzes. Boom.